Good evening, friends, and today we are here to listen to another success story from 360 Digit TMG. And today we have with us a very special guest, and he will be sharing his story, or you can say journey, with us. So let's welcome Mr. Balram. Yeah,
Yeah, thank
Mr.
you, Dev.
Yeah, Mr. Balram, welcome and congratulations on
Yeah,
landing a job. So yeah,
thank you.
can we start with a brief introduction of yourself?
Yeah, actually, I am Balaram Panigraph and I have completed my BTech in 2017, that too in mechanical engineering. And after that, I just worked as a quality engineer in an automotive company, and where the growth was very less. And the time was that I got frustrated that what I studied and what I was doing over here. And I just set up my mindset to change my domain, like from mechanical to IT sector, and I took the decision. And at that time I just started searching that which institute will be better for me. So at that time I just came to hear about this 360 digital ng from one of my brother, and he referred me there, and we went there and we just discussed about all the course details. After that, I took admission over there, and when I started attending my classes, that time Sarat sir were there.
Okay.
First he took our classes, data science classes. It was around 2 months of time it took to complete the course, and it was a very nice, means the explanation was very good, and the way of learning is really outstanding. And he just clear each and every concept. And another thing is I would like to thank Bhargavi ma'am as well. During tableau sessions, she just uh, explained each and every concept very well, and to Sandhya ma'am as well for our 8 sessions. Yeah, so for that's all from my side there.
Okay. So yeah, you can you introduce the company in which you are placed?
Yeah, now I got placed in Young Mind Technology Solution Private Limited. Yeah, it is based in Tirupati, and it is a service-based company. And I just got selected on last month, March 3rd, as a data scientist trainee. And here my roles and responsibilities are some challenging is there. Actually, here I need to develop some codes and need to deploy those things as well. Like after coming here, I just got to know a lot of new technologies. What I didn't even I didn't hear before that.
Okay, so your role in the company is trainee, data science
Yeah,
trainee.
yeah.
So yeah, can you tell us something means what it entails
Sorry.
in the what it means what job means what is the your roles and responsibility mainly?
Yeah, my roles and responsibility over here is just I need to develop ML models.
Okay.
Like I can't reveal the project names, but
Yeah.
here I need to work with a team, and where I need to develop the ML course as well.
Okay. Can you tell us how many interviews did you uh, give prior to getting this job?
Yeah, I think 13, yeah, 12 to 13 interview I have attended. Because as I told that I'm a mechanical engineering student, so I don't have that much knowledge regarding programming, regarding Python also. So I am very weak in Python at that time. When I joined in 360, and after completion also, I was not that much clear about like data structure algorithms, and some concepts regarding Python was not clear. And after completing this course, I just went through the videos which are provided to us by 360 Digit MG, and I went through that, and I got to learn a lot of things from there. After that, on 14th interview, I got here.
Okay, so can you tell us the procedure followed by uh, you to apply in this company?
Yeah, actually, for this 360 Digit MG players most important role in this. Actually, I didn't even knew about this vacancy. And this regarding this vacancy, it was intimated to me by our institute, by 360 GTMG only. After that, I came to know that one company is there and they need a data scientist trainee, and I applied through 360 and I sent my resume to 360 HR team. After that, they forward that resume to this company, and I got a call from there.
Okay, so can you tell us the means what is the process you got means in this company? Means how many rounds you went through?
Yeah, it was around of 3 rounds. First was in telephoning round, and second was in that assessment test. Then it was final round with the manager.
HR round.
After the successful completion of the round, I got placed here.
Okay, so as you told, you're having educational background like BTech mechanical.
Yeah.
So was it difficult to switch to this?
Yeah, at first I was also thinking that it will be very difficult to switch, but after learning everything, I don't think that it that much critical, because it's far better than you just working in an automobile company for 10 hour, 12 hour. It is far better than that. Like you have to do some physical work over there. Means there is no constant work. Means you can't stand over there. You just have to roam for 12 hour, 13 hour from one place to another place. Means there is no rest even. So I don't think that it that much critical. It's not that much difficult as well. So I don't think so, because after changing and after, if once you'll get uh, clear your concepts, after that it will not make you any problem, that you will never think that I have made any mistake, that by changing my domain from mechanical to IT or mechanical data science. So it's not that much difficult.
Yeah, so basically it is here you will have to use your brain instead of your physics.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So also you told us that you are having a professional background before. So
Yeah. Actually,
can yeah.
I have a 4 years of professional background in mechanical engineer field. Like in automobile company, I was working as a, means I started my career as a quality inspector. Means where I was used to inspect the parts over there. uh, and my that time one means who doesn't read anything, means who don't have any educational background, I was working with them. That time it was very means shameful for me. Not shameful, I mean it was actually something is there that I was feeling in my inside, like why what I read and what I am doing over here. And after that 4 years of I think I wasted I wasted my 4 years in the mechanical field.
Okay. So do you think that that experience of 4 years will it be useful in this field?
Yeah,
It might
actually,
be.
yeah, I think one thing will be useful, because I was there, because I know how to behave inside an organization and how to means do your work, what are the rules regulations to be follow. That will be helpful. Except that work experience, it will not make any impact on your career on society, because the work process is very much, it's different, totally
Yeah.
different. But
Yeah.
the behavior you want to, means whatever behavior you want to show in an organization, that will be helpful for me.
Okay. So can you tell us why did you decide to change into data science? So there are many other fields.
Yeah, actually, for data science, as I told that I'm not good enough in programming. So data science, there is for getting a job, you need actually an assessment test. They are asking some difficult questions. If you know about that, it will not make any problem for you. But for me, it made me some problem, because I'm not good enough. That's why it took me 14 interviews. Then only I got here.
Yeah.
And that actually, the thing is that you have to learn the Python as well, because if you learn it deeply, it will not make you any problem over here.
Yeah. So how did you prepare for your interviews? Can you shed some light on that?
Yeah, actually, I was very careless at the first time, because of what I thought, data science it doesn't require more program, so I can manage anyhow. But while attending after 3 or 4 interviews, I got to know that even I don't know anything. What I was thinking, even I don't know anything. After that, I just tried to look means upskill myself in Python and SQL as well, because I was thinking that every company needs if ML algorithm you have to know about that, but Python and SQL these are the compulsory things you will be asked in an interview. It is the compulsory thing. So I just started the follow means watching these videos from which are provided to us through the institute.
Yeah.
And as I told that, sorry, I forgot to tell that why I choose data science. Because it's required less programming, and as I was working for 4 years in an automobile company, so I thought if I'll go in some other field, suppose in Java, full stack developer, I need to learn some 4 to 5 languages, programming language. Then only I'll get able to get a job. Means for full stack developer means you have to know HTML, JavaScript, React, some CSS codes.
Yeah.
So for me, actually in data science, if you know Python, it is good enough. Yeah. So for that, I think that if I change, if in this time, after wasting of 4 years in an automobile company, if I change now to some other domain, it will take more time to learn everything, and then after that, so it will be very difficult to for me to get a job, because
Yes.
there is some certain criteria, as criteria is also there. So we have to look after that also. And after there, when I came to know that it doesn't require that much programming language, if you are good enough at Python and SQL, and you have to, if you should have clear knowledge on the ML algorithm, then you will easily able to get a job in data science domain.
So yeah, so whoever is watching on YouTube, if you have any questions, also you can put your questions in the chat box. I'll be asking that at the end. Yeah. So Balram, so can you tell us how did you improve your Python skills or coding skills? Means you are
Yeah,
telling in interview they're asking. So yeah.
yeah. Actually, in 360 Digit NG on January month, they were taking one class like Python, Tame the Python. That time it was a 1 month of course, and from there I just got to know a lot of things over there. After that, from YouTube also, and the pre-recording videos from 360 Digit NG also, I just went through that, and in this way only I just cleared all my doubts from there on.
Okay. So can you tell us how long did it means you are not from this background, right?
Yeah.
So how long did it take to develop your skills in this field?
Yeah, around it took me a long time, because I just joined in April 7. I remember on April 7 I just joined here in 360 Digit MG, and on May last our data science course completed within 40 days. After that, from there to up to February, it took me so long time to improve myself.
Okay, so in that period you just means read on your own in
Yeah,
self study. Yeah.
yeah, self study, and you can see that interview preparation sessions are also conducting by by our institute, right? So I
Yeah.
just use it to attend those sections, and that add-on sessions like on weekend classes like R, Python, SQL programming also they're conducting on Saturday, Sunday. I always used to attend these sessions.
Okay, so can you tell us if you worked on any of the projects, and if you worked on them, can you just give us an overview of that project?
In 360 Digit MG,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, actually in 360 Digit MG I have completed 3 projects, and everything are based on NLP only.
Yeah.
The first project I worked on, it's around June 4th I started working. The project name was Digital Assistant Chatbot for Pharmacy. At that time, actually, our mentor was Diksha ma'am, and he just guided us very well. So it was a nice experience, because see, we have a zero industry knowledge, right? So if we work on a project, means a lot of things we get to know that how actually things work. So means what are the procedure if you complete for completion of one project, what are the process need to be followed, and what are the process you need to follow, one by step. They also explained it very well, and it was not that difficult to complete that project.
Okay. So, did you get into any internship from this?
Yeah, with Innovatrix only I was doing internship now. Yeah, in that during that only I've completed 3 projects from Innovatrix.
Okay. Next, can you tell us how did 360 TMG team help you, and how did they motivate you?
Yeah, actually, as I told, when I came here, I was zero. Means I don't have any programming language. So I was completely new to here. The concepts means the way of teaching by the Saratsa and Sandhya ma'am and like Bhargavi ma'am, it was really outstanding. And in each and every step, they means they will make you understand very easily. The process of their teaching is really outstanding. After that, and the conceptual videos, pre-recording videos that are really very much helpful.
Okay. Apart from the classes,
Okay.
okay, did they provide any additional support?
Yeah,
360 team.
yeah.
Yeah.
They are conducting every day. When I joined, it was from Monday to Friday, like one doubt clearing sessions they're conducting from 11 to 5, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
But after some days on students' requirement, they just increased that to up to 6 days in a week, like from Monday to Saturday, except Sunday. They're conducting a doubt clearing. Whatever doubts you have, you can join there and you can ask over there. So these are so I like this support very much helpful for me because whenever I feel any doubt means I will log in, join that session, and for that you no need any link from your LMS also you can join and get your clarified all about your doubt.
Yeah. Did you attend any add-on sessions?
Yeah, on Saturday every even till now also I'm attending those sessions. I never miss those sessions
Yeah.
like R Python and those SQL sessions.
Okay. So can you tell us if we require any extra skills apart from whatever is being taught here?
Okay. Yeah, I think one thing should be there. I don't know how much appropriate it will be because as far as from my point of view, what I'm thinking, as I came from the mechanical background, a lot of friends are coming from some other backgrounds. So while I'm coming here, we just directly learn to the program. Means I think there should be some. There are pre-recording videos are there, but just they should first talk to the students that Python, then they have to go for ML because if what I thought it took me so much time to clarify my Python doubts or some concepts regarding Python because our data science course completed on 40 days from it's actually from April 7 to it was May 30 it is completed. So it took me a long time because even I didn't knew about anything. But the concept, the theoretical concept, what they are teaching, it is good. And regarding programming, that time means I could not understand anything that time. That's the thing. The one thing I want to suggest, first Python concept should be taught to the students, then ML.
Okay. I think those are covered in the add-on sessions, right?
Yeah, add-on sessions, but I think see, add-on sessions are weekly ones. If students like me from another background, it is taking more time to acquire some knowledge regarding programming. That's what I'm saying. This is from my point of view. Yeah, add-on sessions are they're connecting, and as I said, even till now also I'm attending those sessions. I didn't miss any add-on sessions.
Okay. So now we can take some questions from our viewers. Yeah. So Abhishek Swarnka has asked you.
Okay.
First question is about package. So if you want to disclose, you can. Otherwise, yeah, if you don't want, you don't disclose. It is up to you.
Sorry, this thing I can't disclose.
Okay. And another question he has asked: were you into testing before?
No,
Can
I
you?
was no, I am completely new to this field. I was not in testing. As I said, I was working in an automobile company for 4 years. Like I was in Chennai
Okay.
in for 4 years in an automobile company. I was never been into testing.
Okay. Yeah, I think Abhishek, that should answer your questions. Yeah, and Balram, can you give us any suggestions to the new aspirants who are trying to get into this field?
Yeah, actually, who are trying to get into this field, I just want to give you only one suggestion. Before coming into this field, just acquire some knowledge regarding program, regarding Python and SQL. So it will be very helpful to you. Because in my case, what I did, I just directly just resigned from that company and I came to took admission over here and I started learning. So it took me a lot of time to means clarify my all doubts regarding Python and to learn new concepts. So whoever you want to come here, just prepare yourself, be prepared. That's the thing.
Okay. Okay, we are getting few more questions. So, Umesh has asked whether interviewers asked you about AI.
No, it was not about AI, but they asked me about ML concepts and SQL because it's
Uh,
not an AI engineer or like deep learning something. It's a machine learning things, a concept only I was working on. So because I previously I have attended my deep learning AI classes in 360 but as I told, it took more time to upskilling myself. So still I'm just referring those videos to upskilling myself. So while attending, I have before I have informed that I am perfect in machine learning, not in deep learning. So they just asked me on only machine learning only, and based on that they hired me.
okay. Yeah, Vivin has asked what were your difficulties as a mechanical engineer?
Yeah,
What?
actually,
Uh,
see, one mechanical engineer only can understand that feeling that what type of difficulty he's facing at the everyday of life, like every day of his work. Because once you will go into the company, first thing is salary is very less. Means how much year you will work, it doesn't matter. Just yearly, 2,000. If they give you an increment as 3,000, it is far better. Means most of the company they are not giving that much. Yearly 1,000 or 2,000 rupees increment will be there, and you should go to the company on time. But on time you can't leave the company because that much of pressure will be there. And in automobile company, what they are doing, they are just managing manpower. Means like they are reducing manpower for cost saving, but that those pressures will come on you because if 10 persons are needed for one work means they will provide only 6% and they will ask you question regarding that why it's not completed. So it was very difficult to answer that question. That's why I told you, if what type of difficulty I faced, a mechanical engineer who is working in a company only he only can understand these feelings.
okay, and Vivin has also asked if I think it is pertaining to the previous question only. So I think he has asked whether you faced any difficulties regarding this probability and statistics.
No. Actually, this is all about mathematics. As I'm not that much bad in mathematics, so it didn't make me any problem for me.
Okay. And he has also asked another question whether interview asked you about your mechanical background.
Yeah, the same question, like how I just answered one question over there. Like, what type of difficulty you faced in your mechanical engineer job? So the same thing they asked over here. This is a basic question because I got passed out in 2017 and I am just attending interview in 2022. It's a 5 years of gap.
Yeah.
Means it's compulsory they will ask.
Yeah. So I don't think we have any more questions. So Balram, we can close with a, you can just give a closing statement and we can close with that.
Yeah, just I just want to like this means from my point of view, what I want to tell to like as I said means before teaching the ML concept, if they will teach the Python concept before that for non-technical background students, so it will be I feel it will be better And one more thing is, whoever is wants to get into this field means just prepare yourself before that. Before coming into this field, prepare yourself so that it will you can manage your time. Like after completing, suddenly you can attend the interview and you can get a job. But if you think that after completing my training period, like when my data science course will complete, that time I will upskill myself and I will learn the algo techniques. It won't work because the same thing I did, the same mistake I did. That's why it took me 7 months of time to get a job.
Okay,
That's
so yeah. So basically, the thing is, you should prepare yourself if you are trying to reach into this field. So just prepare yourself with the programming languages like either R or Python,
yeah,
and it will be an easier journey for you.
yeah. It will
Otherwise,
be, yeah. It will become a very easier.
yeah. So and with that we can close. So Balram, congratulations again
Yeah, thank you then.
on landing the job, and yeah, we can now close the meeting.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you.